Imagine the sunrise spilling gold across an open highway, and before you appears a machine born for freedom, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome camper bus, a fusion of comfort, design, and exploration. Welcome back to Car Flair, where we turn wheels into stories and travel into memories. Today we're exploring Toyota's bold leap into the world of luxury mobile living, parked not in your driveway, but on the edge of the horizon. From the outside, this bus commands attention. Golden light glints off its aerodynamic body, finished in a sleek metallic champagne. The front fascia is wide and confident, LED matrix headlights carved into sharp edges like light blades, and the Toyota emblem shines like a badge of purpose. The roof features solar-integrated panels quietly absorbing sunlight to power everything inside. Large panoramic windows stretch along both sides, offering views of the world as you roll through it, not just sit static at it. Even the wheels are statement large, wrapped in premium all-terrain tires reinforced for both highways and hidden back roads. Underneath this graceful shell beats a heart of modern engineering. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome camper bus launches with a hybrid powertrain boasting approximately 250 to 300 horsepower and an all-wheel drive system capable of up to 300 miles on a single charge drive cycle in certain configurations. The transmission is smooth, the engine whisper quiet, the suspension tuned to swallow bumps so you wake up refreshed, not rattled. Compared to past models, this edition is smarter, greener, and more luxurious. Step inside, and the world outside fades away into comfort. The lounge and lunch area invites you to relax. Plush leather seating curves around a fold-out dining table, while ambient lighting shifts gently as the sun sets. The panoramic windows pull in views that change with every road mile. The kitchen is compact, yet complete. Induction cooktop, refrigerator, sleek cabinetry, and lighting that makes even meal prep feel like an event. Soft-touch materials, warm wood tones, and subtle lighting turn the space into more than a stopover. It feels like home. In the bathroom, luxury meets practicality. A glass-enclosed shower, tasteful light accents, smooth surfaces that clean easily and make you forget you're in a mobile home. The bedroom quietly awaits at the rear. A full-size bed, ambient lights that transition for evening mood, smart storage built in, and views out the back that promise tomorrow's horizon even as you sleep tonight. Finally, the driver's zone, modern, intuitive, and designed for long hours. A digital dash, ergonomic seating, adaptive cruise and safety systems, all framed in clean aesthetic lines. It's not just driving, it's guiding your world. If this 2026 Toyota Motorhome camper bus stirred your wanderlust, tell us which part you'd use first: kitchen, bedroom, or the road outside. And remember, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more journeys from Car Flair, where every road leads somewhere new.